am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. One myth that just refuses to die is that IVF is only for the rich. Well, let's bust that today, because the truth is IVF is becoming more accessible, more affordable, and more widely supported than ever before. So why was IVF expensive at all? Well, it used to be expensive and it used to be a luxury, costing thousands of rupees because of the lab equipment, medications, and specialist care that was required. But here's what happened. Technology, awareness, and policy of every nation has also changed it. Technology has become more efficient, better culture systems, better embryo selection, and a gentle stimulation protocol means fewer cycles may be needed for a positive pregnancy. Generic fertility medications have also lowered prescription costs. Low-cost IVF centers and public-private partnerships are emerging in many countries. Costs are coming down globally. In countries like India, IVF cost can be 70 to 80% lower than that in the US or Western Europe, with excellent outcomes. Even in the US, many clinics now offer financing options, refund programs, or package details. Guess what? More insurance providers are starting to cover IVF, especially when linked to medical diagnosis like blocked tubes or male factor infertility. More corporates are adding fertility benefits to employee insurance. Many countries are also funding for IVF. Non-profit and other groups now offer grants and scholarships for treatment. So what used to be an option only for the wealthy is now realistic for middle-class families, and it's improving year by year. If you wish to know more about this or the cost of IVF, please feel free to contact us at Ziva Fertility Centers. Thank you.